Hi, this is Brian and welcome to the Fat Loss Eating Program. This program was created to once and for all resolve what and how to eat in order for you to look, feel, and perform your best. This program is different than anything you may have tried in the past. It's not a calorie-centered program and it's not a restrictive program. Rather, the Fat Loss Eating Program teaches you how to create a nutrition lifestyle that will serve your health and fitness for many years to come. To get started, here's what you'll do next. Step 1. Download and read the Week 1 module. Take notes, reread as needed, and begin to absorb the information. Next, you'll print out your Fat Loss Eating Scorecard. This will be a tracking sheet for you to check each meal that you've had sufficient protein, high water content foods, foods high in fiber, as well as foods that fall within the nutrition label rule. Then next, you're going to print out your fat loss food list. And then you'll plug in your numbers to figure out how many calories each day your body needs for your fat loss goals. And finally, you want to take a look at the fat loss recipes. They're in two formats. You have a video to take a look at, as well as printed recipes that you can keep with you as you prepare the meals. As a note, I believe that fat loss is a 100% individual, unique process. I will be giving you several recipes over the coming weeks, and my goal in doing that is to stimulate your own creativity to create recipes and meals that satisfy your own personal preferences, your metabolic responses to food, and your own psychological tendencies. Your role will be one of playing a fat loss detective. Detectives look for clues. They don't rely on people or things to dictate situations. Rather, they take control of the situation and find out what's going on. This program is not a diet. This is a learning program designed to equip you with all the skills and tools that you need to be successful for the rest of your life. So let's get started with step 1 below.